Hi guys, RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, where we're exploring the cutting edge of robotics and automation. And today we're looking into a fascinating and slightly unnerving development. Scientists in China have created a robot with a brain grown from human stem cells. We have officially entered the age where robots might start outsmarting us. The brain-on-chip technology allows the robot to perform tasks like moving its limbs, avoiding obstacles and grasping objects, all while demonstrating basic human intelligence. Developed by a team from Tianjin University and the Southern University of Science and Technology, the brain is connected to the robot via a brain-computer interface, enabling communication with the outside world. Ming Dong, an executive director of the Ha-He laboratory, explains the brain-computer interface on a chip uses an in vitro cultured brain coupled with an electrode chip to interact with the outside world. It's essentially a very smart babysitting gig. To keep these brain organoids functional, they need conditions similar to a human brain: fluid, nutrition, temperature, and protection. Researchers believe this technology will revolutionize hybrid intelligence, merging biological and artificial systems. This breakthrough follows another recent advancement where Japanese scientists crafted living human skin onto a human robot face, allowing it to smile and exhibit human-like emotions. As human stem cells from brain organoids, the fusion of biological and technology is pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Robot Philosophy. If you're looking to robot optimize or to learn more about the technology we discussed, don't hesitate to book in a call with our experts. Visit our website for more details and schedule your consultation. And don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with the latest robot trends.